Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about what is in this product FunnelMates is all about. This is also when you watch my video, my last two videos. The first video I included have about overview. The first video is about overview, FunnelMates overview. When I go through the sales page, what is the feature and what are the amazing feature. And the last video I'm also have about FunnelMates demo. There's also I also go through inside the members area of FunnelMates, and the second part is about the TrafficIvy. This is also another bonus you can get this TrafficIvy also to get organic traffic free organic traffic from Google from this to your blog. That is also you can also to have different this also you have an extra traffic to your blog. So what is this product is also if you want to know how does it work and you can also to watch my first video have a sales page to go through what are the amazing features if you want to know and what does this FunnelMates members area and also the bonus TrafficIvy software and TrafficIvy software how does it work and you can watch my last video. It's also a video is also a very long. It's about 40 minutes because they have tons of amazing features. I go through the step by step what are the benefits when you grab this FunnelMates. Other than that, and the best part that you also have a 6-week live training series that is also beginning tomorrow, and you can see the sales page 10th of June, and you can also to see have a countdown timer. You can also other than that, if you grab this you can have the FunnelMates and you have the TrafficIvy software, and also you can attend and has a 6-week affiliate Masterclass event. This also will be beginning tomorrow. This also the beginning tomorrow, and this also have a timer. And also what is this product is all about is also if you want to pick up this order, pick up this offer, I also have more exclusive content for you because I don't want to spend too much time. How does it work? You can also to watch my last two videos. In this video, I'm going also to walk you through what my exclusive content for you if you pick up FunnelMates. Also if you get FunnelMates just for the fun, you will get my 15 and bonus. The bonus number one, I will give you a free video training course. This is also about the affiliate marketing training course. Is also a step by step. Even if you are newbie, this also have there's also a lot of the high quality video to walk you through how you can start your affiliate marketing business. If you want to buy this product, if you want to buy, and if you want, there's also if you will buy this outside, you have at least charge you about $497 because you are tons of and high quality and good high quality video that walk you through how you can start your affiliate marketing business. The bonus number 2, I will give you another free video training course that is also decided by the figure online marketer. He also have over 10 years experience how to make money order, affiliate marketing, and also email marketing. When you sign up this video training course and also have a bonus, you can also use it attend his weekly live training. In his live training course, you will keep and you will learn much about affiliate marketing, email marketing, and also in his live training course, he will giving away so many free stuff that will help you to and start your how you can make more money online. So you don't want to miss out. So I highly recommend you to sign up this video training course, and also you can also have a bonus to attend his weekly live training. Bonus number 2, I will give you a system that you are going to see to start up. What is the best time? You will set up you can unlock 12 income stream, and the best part is most of them you will get paid month after month. Yes, also you can have a monthly 嘅 recurring income 幫心一科啦，I will give you a free 嘅 Shopify 嘅 dropshipping 嘅 course. If you are interested in how you can physical product, also how you can start your Shopify 嘅business This is also the free 嘅 Shopify dropshipping you will how you can create a profitable 嘅 Shopify 嘅store from scratch in 2021 幫心一班啦，I will give you a free 嘅 video training course. There's also a complete 嘅 SEO course for beginner how you can rank your website in number one in Google 啦。幫心一識㗎，I will give you a sales funnel 嘅 optimization 嘅 strategy 嘅 video 嘅 course how you can optimize your sales funnel 啦 ，key strategy to maximize conversion and profit 啦。幫心一識班，I will give you Warrior Plus for new Warrior 嘅 video course how to can sell your product on Warrior Plus how to set list and offer and create a funnel other interesting features on Warrior Plus 幫心一啲㗎，I will have a JB Suite 嘅 sales funnel 嘅 video course how to set up and effective sales funnel that convert and also to make profit instead to make profit how to set up a one-time offer upsell and downsell as well 幫心一啲啦。幫心一啦，There's also the WordPress 嘅 ebook marketer will pay out There's also how you can have a ebook 嘅 marketer as There's also how you can create your ebook within your WordPress 幫心一聽啦，you will get my WordPress 嘅 IM graphic 嘅 plugin There's also how you can generate your IM graphic within your WordPress bonus number 11啦。You will have a free 嘅 software you can create stunning 嘅 gift video inside in your WordPress and you free 嘅 software create stunning 嘅 gift video 啦。幫心一12you all have free software instantly create killer 嘅 article in 20 minutes or less 幫心一30啦，you will have a click FOMO It's also to boost your conversion on your WordPress Free more style with your this social proof 嘅 software 啦。幫心一40啦，you will have another free嘅plugin you will get how you can get wider traffic to your website very fast 幫心50啦，I will give you another free 嘅 WordPress plugin that displays notification on your WordPress and easily stay engaged to your reader while they are reading while they are reading If you just pick up the phone, you will have 15 嘅bonus If you pick up any upsell, you will get 11嘅 OTO bonus OTO bonus more IG machine There's also a software to put your Instagram account you do your liking activity you want to have free traffic from Instagram OTO bonus 乜 tool Pinterest automator 就automatically pin interest from your WordPress to Pinterest you also can get free organic traffic from Pinterest automatically OTO bonus feature is on Facebook photo context It's also you will capture view 嘅 Facebook 嘅 email address There's also Facebook permission There's also to help you to build your email list OTO bonus number 4 you will get an article submitted you will fastest and easy way to get your article post on hundreds of article 嘅 directory OTO bonus you will get 99,000嘅 PR article This is also for your information for the blog article OTO bonus 6 you will get 2,500嘅 email swine for the email marketing OTO bonus 7 you will get a pixel book profit This is how you can publish the low content book on Amazon You can as a side hustle to learn more extra money bonus 8 OTO bonus 8 you will get an exclusive bonus package that include 5 parts free training course free marketing software free variable report freebie you can download and free workshop you can register all the workshop to help you to make more money OTO bonus 9 is also blocking profit discover how you can create profitable today OTO bonus 10 30 days to bigger emails how you can build your bigger emails in 30 days OTO bonus 11 my last OTO bonus premium 嘅 bonus package 要include 8 part include the part 1 is about part 1 offer that you have about 597 嘅 full marketing software 啦 ，Part 2 one click generator over 4,000 嘅 money link software 啦 ，Part 2 you will unlock the system 啦 ，how you can get paid to grow your YouTube product 啦 ，Part 2 you will have free 嘅website affiliate marketing 嘅 training module 啦。Part 4 is also how you can get your business affiliate marketing 嘅 business set up under 2 hours 啦。Part 6 is how is also the system how you can use the fast and easy way to make money order. Part 7 how you can get 100 listeners just for $1 per day 啦。Part 8 you will get about 5 嘅 just for $1嘅 training course and software 啦。And all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the JB Show because of the software 嘅 platform inside the JB Show before the countdown timer hit 0 simply click the link below in description the first thing they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, practice any blue button and then you will go through the sales page. When you go through the sales page, when you also to see any this blue button you can also you can go through and you can also to see and you can see to go through the sales page and you want to purchase and you can it's also the very long anyway I don't want to if you want to go through the sales page and buy this report and buy FunnelMates through my affiliate link you will get all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the JV Show before the countdown timer hit 0 So let's take a look at what are the upsell as well There's also you included you can have 6 week live affiliate marketing affiliate and Masterclass. You will access to FunnelMates software as a bonus access to TrafficIvy That's also what you will get Just when you will this is also tomorrow Tuesday 10th of June 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time recording available within the 2 hours of call completing each week You will get a software funnel activator traffic tool 6 week will be our promotional as free if you have FunnelMates builder but I highly recommend you also get the upsell you have 2 options option 1 and option 2 I highly recommend you can grab the option 2 because you have 2 more bonus and also other than that you have more as money that you can spend for the choice of FunnelMates and also you can have because or if you want to attend this live funnel Masterclass you must capture the option 2 option 2 this is just for one time paying $67 or there's also you have training software traffic software and also the FunnelMates is also the very powerful just for one time payment $67 other than that you just pick up the fund and you will get my 15 bonus The option number 1 and option number 2 I also mentioned that in the previous video I highly recommend you grab it because why this have the 3 option monthly yearly or one time payment if you I highly recommend you can grab the yearly 297 you can have a save all time if you have a much more budget you can have one time payment $997 what you will get you will have $30 monthly credit you can spend for the funnel and also what is the benefit when you credit you will have to create and publish unlimited funnel of funnel if you just for funnel you just for the free you can activate as many the free funnel if you just pick up the funnel you have the 2 just for that you can activate any free funnel that's all what you get you can sell any type of offer in your funnel that is also you can make more profit and also another bad part you can create and publish premium white label funnel and then you can sell it at a higher price to all the inside the members area create and publish premium exclusive funnel and you can also to sell it and also have anybody to get this exclusive funnel you can also to sell this complete ownership to transfer to anybody and they also have charge them at a much more higher price and the best part you can comb your funnel that is also you can easily to comb your funnel and you can create a new and publish more funnel much more faster that is also the why I highly recommend that you can grab the option number for option 2 $297 just for the one for yearly billing option number 2 this also I highly recommend you can grab it just for one time payment $97 what you will get you will have a collection of 140 or over 140嘅 done for you 嘅 lead capture 嘅 funnel 啦。What you will get 咧 included a lead giveaway 嘅 reports 啦、landing 啦 and download page 啦、graphic 啦 and follow up 嘅 email sequence for each. This also you can have 140嘅 done for you lead capture 啦。This is just for $97 for one time 咧。This is also under the $1咧。This is also if you have just one 嘅lead capture 嘅 funnel 咧。Under $1, you will include about over $140. This is no-brainer. It's also you will include the Word document, a PSD file for each funnel, and other than that, you can pass 2 new added every month, and you can other than that, you can every month you have the 2 more new added for you. Just pay once and access to this massive collection, and other than that, you can perfect for you to create your own funnel that you can also use to sell. And because this is also you can come, you have a buy it, also you can come and also to create your own and also to pre-sell it and charge whatever you want. That is also I highly recommend you can grab the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2, and other than that, you can also grab upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 get upsell. You will get my 11 get OTO bonus. The last bonus is about the agency, $67 the one-time payment. This also you can have a new account contain all the front-end feature, but will not give them to any marketplace credit. And also the bonus agency profit. This also you can remember of new account you create will contain your affiliate link. That is also you can learn commission on 100 affiliate offer by giving away your funnel account. And but this is also you can pay additional account cannot be given away for free. That is also you can pay additional. There's also you can also to offer that to giving or offer as a $47 or greater or added as a bonus or sales or sales price for $97 or higher. That is also what you will get if you. But I highly recommend you can grab the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2. That is also you can make the highest and then make the profit in the highest level. This is also what is the benefit. You can also see it for yourself. Also, other than that, you can also watch the demo video of FunnelMates below on my bonus page. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, you can also watch the demo video. It's also about the 10 minutes. And you can also have a 20-second funnel challenge. And also you have about the 2 minutes, 30 seconds. And you can watch it on yourself. Also, you can if you pick up the front end, you will get my total front end 15 OTO bonus. But if you pick up the front and upsell, I highly recommend you grab the upsell number 1, option 2 $297 for you there, and also the upsell number 2 just for one-time payment $67. You will get 140 funnel done for you this funnel. And other than that, you will get my 11 OTO bonus, and you can scroll down when you scroll down. And you can also to get my OTO bonus, and also you can have 15 front end bonus, and also you will get my OTO bonus. You will get my 11 OTO bonus. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and also if you get my upsell number 1 and upsell number 2, you will get my 11 OTO bonus. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the JV Suite because you are software platform. Inside the JV Suite before the countdown timer hit 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, press this any blue button and you will redirect to the sales page. If you pick up the front end, you will get my 15 bonus. If you pick up any upsell, I highly recommend you grab the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 that you will get my 11 OTO bonus. Thanks for taking time to check out my FunnelMates review and bonus. Don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. I also included the 2 training courses, 2 additional training, 1 free report, and 5 top product recommendations. All of them will help you to make more money online. And other than don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you could include other playlists, including multiple stream of income, make money online tips, marketing tips, idea. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. See you.